right, I'm the founder and director of Organic Blooms. We're a certified organic cut flower farm based in South Gloucestershire, and we've got 4 acres which is already organic and 5 acres under conversion to organic status. So we've been on this site for 8 years now. This is our eighth growing season, and the reason it works so well for us is we're a social enterprise. We work with people who have learning disabilities, who might be on the autistic spectrum or have suffered from mental health problems, and the match of skills when you're growing cut flowers is perfect for people who have support needs. They can do every stage of this task, from seed sowing to harvesting, and it's just a beautiful environment to be in and can help anybody who's having a bad day. So it just works so well for our business. People with support needs are a high priority for us as part of our staff team, and cut flowers couldn't be a better medium to work with. As a social enterprise, it's quite hard to scale up. You can't always prioritise the business model and profitability, because it's important for us to bring our whole team with us, and it means you can't grow quite as quickly as you might if you were just doing flower growing. So working with Abel & Co is going to give us that platform to reach customers, to concentrate on what we're good at, which is growing the flowers and supporting people, and then to be able to tap into a like-minded group of customers is going to have a really concrete, tangible benefit for us, in that it will increase the number of jobs that we can offer to people with support needs. So we think that by next year we could have another 6 jobs here, and these are people who really can't access mainstream employment, but they can do beautiful work here because the environment is set up for them. We are going to be supplying 2 new products. One is a plug plant, which is a little plant organically grown that people can develop their own cut flower gardens. The other one is a kitchen table posy. So we'll be supplying stems for you to make your own posy, which will come with your weekly delivery. As certified organic growers, we believe passionately that flowers don't actually need the level of input, the chemicals, the light, the heat that they're getting as a crop nowadays. We choose species that are quite robust and hardy. We grow a lot of perennials, so they don't need a lot of irrigation. We're growing them slow, so they're not being forced up, so they're quite robust, which helps with vase life. We encourage pollinators. We're growing open types of flower structures so that bees can get in there and pollinate them. And we don't need to hold back flowering because we're not transporting them internationally. So it's just, I think the flower crop is so much more beautiful when you know that it hasn't harmed the environment and hasn't wasted a lot of energy and inputs.